My name is Mayat Phonthit, and I am from Myanmar. In 2016, I graduated with a bachelor's degree in mechanical engineering, BE Mechanical. After completing my studies, I left my hometown and moved to Yangon with a group of friends. Our goal was to start our careers in the engineering field and attend the necessary training courses to improve our skills. When we arrived in Yangon, we rented a small apartment and lived together. During our first week in the city, we spent time exploring the places around us. As young graduates from different backgrounds, we were excited to experience the lifestyle, environment, and culture of the country's largest city. Everything felt new and different. After discussing our career plans, my friends and I decided to work in the construction industry, focusing on M&E, mechanical and electrical engineering. We believed that this field would provide valuable opportunities for learning and professional growth. To prepare ourselves for the industry, we enrolled in several training programs related to M&E engineering. Among them, I completed two important courses, AutoCAD and M&E Services Engineering. These courses helped me gain the technical knowledge and practical skills needed to begin my engineering career. This was the first step of my journey into the engineering world, a journey filled with learning, challenges, and new experiences. After enrolling in the training courses, my friends and I spent almost every day together. Looking back now, those days were some of the happiest moments of my life. Every morning, we attended classes side by side, eager to learn something new. We listened carefully to our instructors and tried our best to understand every lesson. As fresh engineering graduates, we knew that every piece of knowledge would help us build our future careers. One of my favorite courses was AutoCAD. I still remember the excitement I felt every time I sat in front of the computer and started drawing. Creating engineering drawings from simple lines and shapes was fascinating to me. The more I learned, the more I enjoyed it. Sometimes I would spend hours practicing without even noticing how quickly time passed. At the same time, we were also studying M&E Services Engineering. The course covered several important subjects, including plumbing and sanitary systems, air conditioning systems, HVAC, electrical systems, and firefighting systems. Among all these subjects, one stood out to me the most, firefighting systems. Before joining the course, I knew very little about fire protection engineering. But as I learned about sprinkler systems, fire pumps, fire alarms, and how these systems protect people's lives and property, I became deeply interested. Every lesson made me more curious and excited. That was the moment I began to dream of becoming a fire protection engineer. After class, my friends and I often spent time exploring the shopping centers near our training school. We would walk around, chat, laugh, and enjoy the simple moments together. When we returned to our apartment, the day was far from over. We cooked meals together, shared stories, and discussed what we had learned in class. After dinner, we opened our laptops and practiced AutoCAD drawings, helping each other improve our skills. As the night grew later, we would head to a local tea shop. Sitting around a small table with cups of tea, we talked about life, joked with each other, and shared our dreams for the future. Sometimes we watched football matches together, cheering for our favorite teams and celebrating every goal as if we were in the stadium ourselves. Back then, we had very little money, but we had something much more valuable: friendship, ambition, and hope. We were young engineers chasing our dreams in a big city, learning new skills, building our futures, and creating memories that would stay with us forever. Even today, whenever I think about those days, I smile. Those were truly the happiest days of my life.